Welcome to the party, Subbalakshmi. Welcome to the party, Abakashmi.
Hi India Glitz viewers, this is Ada Sharma. I think na role ki inta pedda response na expect cheyaledu, and thank you so much. This was possible only because of you, and SOS hit chesinanduku, super hit chesinanduku chala thanks. I think at this point of my career, I'm very new, so nothing is a risk. In Heart Attack, I had a really long role. I was there in almost every scene of the movie. When I choose roles for movies, naka insecurity ledu, so I don't think that my role is going to be 12 minutes, 13 seconds in 3 scenes, and then 4 minutes, 45 seconds in this scene. I don't choose roles like that. I think Nenu chala lucky that a director like Trivikram Srinivas offered me a role like this, which is very different from what I played in Heart Attack. So I don't think the length of the role is what matters. I think the impact of the role matters, and I think this role has been very impactful, actually.
నేను యోగేష్ తో లవ్ లో ఉన్నాను.
I always take care regarding my looks. I think you take care according to the character. Like Heart Attack, we took care to make me look very bohemian, and it should look like I've just gotten out of bed. In the second half, I had to go without makeup, and in some scenes, I had to even look ugly. So you take care to look bad sometimes. And in SOS, most of them were the wedding scenes. So like I had to look like a bride. So of course we did take care, but I learned a lot from Allu Arjun. I think for an actor like him, who's known for his style and known for his dance, he still takes care of little things, which is lovely to see.
When you feel hot in the cold, it's love. When you never ever get old,
it's lovely to see that someone of that level also still cares so much about his look and his presentation. Thank you. Yes, I'm completing my graduation in Kathak, and I got a chance to dance with Allu Arjun. I think that is like a dream come true.
Welcome to the party, Abakashmi.
In last year's Saima, I performed on Ringa Ringa, which is his song, and this year I got to dance alongside him. A little bit. I'm superstitious about not talking about a film till at least like some 20 days are over shooting for it. That is my superstition, because I feel when I don't talk about it or announce the film before that has happened, that film becomes a very big hit. So that is something I'm a little superstitious about. I think destiny is plays an important part in life, but I guess so. I think if you really want something, you get it and your dreams come true, and mine has. Trivikram sir ki chala manchi sarcastic sense of humor undi.
నేను యోగేష్ తో లవ్ లో ఉన్నాను.
And నాకు ఇది quality baga nachindi. I think it's very important sense of humor generally in people's lives, to have sense of humor, and he has a fantastic sense of humor. It is witty, it is dry, and that made it a lot of fun working with him. I'm greedy for doing different roles. I am not a limelight hogger. I'm not a person who will say I want more screen space than someone else. I think it's very cheap if you're in a movie to even ask a director how much screen time am I going to get. I think that's the cheapest thing an actress can do. I think it's very cheap to even think of what is she wearing and according to what she's. I think that's horrible, and I wouldn't want to ever become like that. Right now, definitely not. I'm very bothered about what I am wearing and about what I'm performing, and I'd love to watch another actress also, but I can't get into politics of what someone else is doing on screen. I hope so, yeah. I'm open to all sorts of roles. Hopefully directors think I'm able to pull off all those kinds of roles. I think the roles I've done now are very glamorous. I think Heart Attack was also very glamorous. I don't think glamour is defined on how much cleavage you show or how much thigh show is there. I think glamour can be everything. It can even lie in your eyes and your face. And Indian women are blessed with very sensual features, very sensual eyes. So you can convey sensuality even with your eyes. So I don't think glamour has anything to do with showing skin. Subramaniam for Sale, like Hari Shankar said, it's a special role in his movie. I'm not allowed to talk about the role, so you should ask him about it. But I can promise you it's a character that you've not seen me playing before. I have lots of characters I want to play, but my main thing is I don't want to repeat what is already done. So I'm trying to do kotta films, kotta roles, kotta concepts, and hopefully make a space for myself that no actress has made till now. Again, I think Shanam is one of the most difficult roles I've played in my entire life. I hope I'm able to pull it off. When PVP sir told me about it, I was very emotionally touched that they thought that I would be able to play this character, and because it requires a lot of acting skills and lot of emotion. So I practiced a lot for the film, and again another different role. So hopefully audience like that. That's quite an experiment. I'm too new to say that I want to work with someone and I don't want to work with someone. I hope that directors and actors say that we want to cast her and take her in our movies. So I'm waiting for that. I'm 2 films old now. I'm very fortunate to have a fan following like this. I think that Telugu film industry lo naku accept chesinanduku thank you so much, because that naku chala confidence icharu, and I feel that I can do more stuff because you guys are so accepting of all these experiments that I'm doing. So please continue liking my work. Thanks.
నిన్న పేపర్లు వేశారు కదా ఓ దొంగల ముఠ, ఆ ఫోటోలో ఇలాంటి అందమైన అమ్మాయే మెయిన్. నేను చూశాను. ఒక్కవేళ అమ్మాయి అదే